When you travel, do you get a bit cold on the plane or while you're traveling and the blankets they provide just isn't good enough, or sometimes they don't give you a blanket, especially if it's a short flight? Well, I started to take one with me. So let's take a look. Now, what happened was I had a job, a contract where I was traveling a lot, and we're not talking short distances. We're talking at least 5-hour or 8-hour or 12-hour flights. So quite a long distance, and I was freezing most of the time. And it's not really a good look to be sitting in the plane with your jacket on and you're still cold and you're freezing. So what I started to do was I took blankets with me, but the blankets took a lot of space. So then I thought, what can I try that won't take up a lot of space in my luggage, but would give me some warmth? And after doing a bit of research and buying a few things, I found these microfiber, and sometimes they're called beach towels, sometimes they're towels, but these microfiber ones. Now, this exact one I bought at a local shop called, I think this was Home Bargains, but I've seen them at B&M as well. So if you're in the UK, Home Bargains and B&M have them, especially in the summer. They don't have them all the time, as you know. They have seasonal stuff. But I've also bought them off Amazon. And the first one I bought, I did buy on Amazon on sale. And it wasn't the exact color I wanted, but I thought, it's cheap enough. I'm just going to buy it and see. Okay, so I have that one. I still have that one and I still do use it. But this one I found because I thought it was a good color, very neutral, and it probably wouldn't get mixed up with the airlines. And then I also have some that match my luggage, and that's so that everything's color coordinated. But all I do is usually if I'm on the flight, I normally get the big beach towel size for the flight, and I can just keep it in half and I can put it over my knee. So you can see it just sits nicely. And then if I'm on a longer flight and I want it as a blanket, I can. But it folds up next to nothing. Now, when I've bought them off other websites, or when I bought them online, rather than in the shop, I get more of a selection and a choice. So the ones I have from online, they're a lot bigger. I've got one that's pretty much normal, almost normal bed size cover there. So I think it was 220 by something else. And so it's really long. And that one I love for longer flights because then I can put it over my lap when I get on the flight. But then if I want to try and get some sleep, I can open it up and wrap it right around me. And it's really quite good. Now I've been toying with the idea of using a sleeping bag inner and that, but then I think, what if something happens on the plane? I can't get out of it. So what do you think? Put that in the comments. Is that impractical, or is it a good solution? Not sure. But as I said, this one I chose because, and the microfiber ones in general I chose because they all fold up relatively small compared to the size. But I have to tell you, the warmth is quite good. I mean, it's not like an electric blanket good, but it's helped me. Great. Well, if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. If you'd like to see a video on a specific subject, do put that in the comments below. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.